Earn from ChatGPT. Are you tired of scrolling through social media, wishing you could make money online instead of wasting time? Well, have you heard of ChatGPT? It's a language model trained by OpenAI that can help you earn money in your spare time. Here's how it works. ChatGPT provides various services to individuals and businesses, including content creation, customer service, and data analysis. As a ChatGPT operator, you can offer these services to clients and earn money for each task you complete. But how do you become a ChatGPT operator? It's simple. Just sign up on the ChatGPT website and complete the training program. Once you've completed the program, you'll be ready to start accepting tasks and earning money. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up on the ChatGPT website today and start earning money in your spare time.